outdoor event massage, trauma-informed care, or just good boundaries, working through clothes can still be deeply therapeutic. My name's Beth, and today is Technique Tuesday. Um, Ever felt awkward kind of working through someone who's fully dressed on your table? You're not alone. So let me show you some techniques to make it feel a little bit more seamless. Um, when you get a fully dressed client on your table, and it may be because you're outside doing work at an event, or it may just be that these are someone's boundaries. When you ask someone to undress to their comfort level, this might be what it is. So let's think about how we can borrow maybe from chair massage techniques and do some work with a fully dressed client that feels great to them. So, one of the things that I like to do is to start with some compression strokes. Now, when you do compression strokes, you want to use this part of your hand in a gently open fist, and we're going to work on either side of the vertebral column. So, you can start this here at your client's head and work down, or you can work from the side. Now, other techniques that you can utilize would be maybe some jostling or some vibration. So, a little bit of cross fiber friction, and then you can also add some stretching in. So, what we're going to do is kind of work down Joy's legs and then maybe just do a little bit of traction work. Or we could just bring her leg up and stretch her quads out from here, trying to stay inside the camera's gaze. Okay. So when our client is dressed, we do have to adjust. Those long sweeping effleurage strokes that we love to do for relaxation on the table aren't going to be effective. You're just going to move their clothing around. So we want to avoid those. Now, other techniques that we could do would be some lovely tapotement. So we're going to, again, use open fists as we do tapotement strokes for our client. And this is great for some trauma informed care, for on site massage, anytime you want to support a client who is out in the open or wants extra boundaries. So let me know what your favorite way to work on a clothed client is in the comments.